Hi, I'm Dr. Merina Phillips. I've done MBBS from Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Would like to speak today on a few tips how to avoid monsoon illnesses. You should be drinking a lot of water, fluids, preferably boiled water. Avoid touching unwashed hands to your face. Always wash your hands before going to eat. Try to avoid yourself from mosquitoes because mosquito-borne illnesses are there a lot. A few of the illnesses which are really common in the season are: first is the respiratory tract infection. You may encounter cough, cold, pneumonia, high-grade fever. In such cases, be sure to contact your family doctor and take prescribed medicines. Skin infections like fungal, bacterial are also very common during this period. Eating contaminated food, water outside can lead to diseases like typhoid, hepatitis, jaundice. In such cases, these cases can be really critical if not treated on time. So in such cases, again, you need to contact your family doctor. In case you wish to contact me, you can contact your